Football teaches a lot of life lessons. They're learning how to work with others, put trust in someone else while they put trust in you.
Football is more than just football. The teamwork, the brotherhood, it all builds character.
Are we ready? Let's go!
This league actually is a family.
The family and brotherhood that we make and the long-lasting friendships.
The coaches made me a better person. They taught me always to have hard work.
Navy on me, Navy on three. 1, 2, 3, Navy!
We're truly appreciative of Spectrum and TeamSnap for the funds they gave our league to help us out. When it became available, I applied immediately, got a sponsorship right after that. You'll see a kid walk by with a Spectrum shirt on, I know where he got it from.
This league doesn't happen without Tim. He takes his involvement for this league 24 hours a day.
We have over 100 people down here between coaches and board of directors that help run this league. The time and effort everybody puts in, teaching them the game, teaching them how to grow up to be fine young men, but help build character throughout the years. There are so many things that go into, financing this league. It lets us keep the cost to our families down. We got a bunch of new equipment this year, some sleds, some tackling machines.
Everything in this league is for the kids, and all that sponsorship money helps that happen.
I'm truly grateful for my company, who I love. I've been there for 26 years now. Without companies like Spectrum, we wouldn't exist down here. So we appreciate it very much.